I can't imagine who I trusted on to anyone so bad. Hello, Anna.
My computer is broken.
Oh, so it had a little glitches and it was lagging. Happy New Year 2026, Anna. So what are you using right now? Are you using an iPad?
Computer. The
Ah,
computer.
it's the same
I'm
laptop.
using a computer.
Oh, it's the same laptop. Yeah.
I'm using laptop.
Okay. Happy New Year 2026, Anna. Anna, did you celebrate the New Year's Eve? Did you have a celebration?
No.
Yeah. What did you do? You only slept?
Because in my country,
Uh-huh.
is it? Wait for me. I don't know
It's
what
not
is.
really that important. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Ah,
not good.
I know why. I know why, honey. Because
I
that
know.
that holiday is the most important one. Yeah, right? The most important holiday there is the Tet holiday. Or I mean the most important New Year is the Tet. Tet New Year, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and we celebrate that and um that
Mhm.
lunar calendar.
The Lunar New Year, right? And you will
Yes.
be yeah, you will be celebrating the Lunar New Year next month, right? It will be next month, Anna.
Yes.
Oh, are you excited?
Yes, I want money.
Whoa! So you will receive a lot of money for the 10th New Year?
Yes.
Wow! And who will give the money to you? Who will give money to you, Anna?
Hmm.
Grandpa? Grandma? Mom? Dad?
Um, all relatives,
All
all
relatives. Ah, all your relatives, honey.
yes.
Wow. Well, that's great. So that's why you're excited, and the Lunar New Year will start on the second week of February, right? That will be February 17th. Yes. And you're very excited for that because it's
Yeah,
about, and
because
you
I
are,
have some money.
okay. I hope we have something like that too
If I
here.
have a lot of money, I want to buy a, a real cat.
A real cat. Oh, I really hope that you will have a lot of money for that holiday. Would your mom allow you to have a cat at home? Would she allow that? What do you think? Would she say okay to that, honey? Yeah?
I don't know. I don't know.
So, honey, you should tell
I
her.
I
Yeah,
will
you should tell her. You should say,
I
Mom,
will contribute together
yeah.
with my brother.
So your brother is also going to receive lots of money, huh?
Yeah.
I wish that we have something like that here so that I will have a lot of money too. But we don't have Lunar New Year. But we have a holiday. We have a Lunar New Year holiday here. It's just that we don't celebrate it.
Yes.
Only the Chinese people here in the Philippines celebrates it, or the Vietnamese people that lives in the Philippines celebrates it.
I rest holiday for New Year.
You? You?
Yes.
I think me too. I think me too. Yeah. I think I will also be
Oh,
resting for 4 days because if you don't,
but
I,
my mom and my dad, they, my
mm,
parents
are they going to work?
rest one day.
Oh, why is that? Are they still going to work?
I don't know.
Oh no. But it's okay. At least they have 1 day rest, honey. That's fine. Okay. Anyway, honey, we just have 10 minutes left because of your laptop. So now teacher's going to share the screen and we are now going to have lesson 19. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. But Anna, did you eat out on the New Year's Eve? Did you eat out?
Mm, no.
Mm. Your camera seems very, very nice, honey. Are you using a MacBook laptop? An Apple laptop, honey?
Yes.
Oh, that's why your laptop is really, really, like, your camera is really, really good. Really like it. You look very pretty. You look very beautiful. Okay. Anyway, honey, let's have this one, my dear. So, in this one, honey, the speaking part two, you you and teacher will both have the same information, honey. I mean, we will both have some information about two different peoples or places, but there are some missing pieces. You need to ask and answer to find the missing information. So here, honey, this will be your prompt card, Anna. This will be your prompt card, and teacher is going to ask you questions, and you're going to complete it in complete sentence, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this will be your prompt card. You're going to base your answers here. Okay, so let's have this one. What's the name of the student, honey? What is the name of the student? Her name is
Her name is Mary.
Mary. And this prompt card, honey, is all about her holiday, for Mary's holiday. Question number one, Anna, where is Mary going for the holiday?
Hmm. At the beach.
Okay, Mary is going. How do you say that in complete sentence? Say it. Mary is going for a
Going
holiday
on
at
the beach.
yes. Okay, question number two. Who is she going with for her holiday?
Hmm.
She is going with.
She went with her grandparents.
Okay, or you will say she will be with her grandparents. Again, one more time, honey. She will be with her grandparents.
Grandparents.
Yeah. Okay, next question. How long is she going there? I mean, how long is she staying? How long will be her holiday? How long will it
Is
be?
2 weeks.
Mhm.
2 weeks.
What is she going to do?
She going to do. She
Swim.
going to swimming.
She will be swimming. Yeah. Or let's have, or you will say she will do swimming. Yeah. Okay. Last question, honey. What is she going to buy? What is she going to buy? She is going to buy.
She's what
Going
buy
to?
a t-shirt.
Yeah, she is going to buy a t-shirt. Very good, my dear. Now, this will be your turn. So you will be asking me a question. And the person that is assigned to me, honey, is Katie. So you have to ask me the questions, honey. You create the questions, and teacher will be the one to answer it, okay? Now, let's go.
Okay.
Create question number 1. What is your first question,
Hmm.
honey? Yeah.
I ask you.
Yes. You ask me the first question. We have here the first question, honey. You create this question. How will you create?
What is the student name?
No, honey. No. Yes. It's Katie. The name of the student is Katie, honey, but you're not asked. That's not the question 1. Here. What is the
What
name
is
of
Katie?
Katie's?
Katie name?
What is the name of Katie's teacher?
Sure.
Yeah, again, one more time. Can you read the question? Please read that. What is
What is
the
the name of Katie teacher?
teacher? Very good. The name of Katie's teacher is Miss King. Okay, question
Hmm.
number 2. We're talking about the sports class, honey,
When
okay?
is she go? When is she learn?
Hmm? What day, honey?
When
What day is
what
her?
day is her sport class?
Yes, sports class. Great job. Number 3. We're done with 2. Let's have 3.
Hmm. What time is the sport class start?
What time will, honey, what time will the sports class start?
What time is the sport class?
Start. Okay, 4. Let's have number 4. How many children? How do you create the question for
Hmm.
that? Mhm.
How many children are there in the sport class?
Very good, smart girl. That's it. How many children are there in the sports class?
Sport class.
There are. Honey, I forgot to answer the question. Okay, question number 2. Her sports class will be on Friday. Question number 3. What time will the sports class start? Her sports class starts at 1:45. How many children are there in the sports class? There are 28 children in the sports class. Okay, question number 5. Let's have question number 5, honey. What is the question for number 5?
What sport is Katie learn?
What sport will Katie learn? Okay. Katie will be learning volleyball. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much, honey. All right, let's have the chit chat part, my dear. So for the chit chat part, honey, we are now going to talk about the uniform. What is a uniform, honey? Can you tell teacher what the uniform is? What is a uniform?
Hmm.
Hmm. What is a uniform, honey? What is that?
Um, I wear a white t-shirt.
Okay, it is something that you wear at school, or it is something that a person wears at work, honey. Yeah, but anyway,
I
my
wear
dear,
a score.
yeah, we don't have enough time, and Teacher Shane has to prepare for the next class. So we're going to meet again on Monday, honey. Bye bye, Anna.
Mm.
I love you. Happy New Year. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Take care.